According to the National Center for Educational Statistics, 75% of families who earn $75,000 or more use computers at work. Conversely, of those families who make less than $20,000 per year, only 30% use computers at work. As educators, we want to give our students the tools necessary to succeed. This means that, in addition to literacy skills, we want our students to be technologically proficient, since there's a high correlation between computer usage and annual wage. One way to make this happen is through good use of a classroom website. The Drupal system provides a free and expanding framework with a supportive community and extensive documentation. It is not the only way to make a website, but it has a login system, user permission controls, plugins for virtually any task you'd like to perform, and a wealth of individuals who will help you learn how to use it via their forum. Many schools and even classrooms produce a newsletter. As an up-and-coming replacement for this time and resource-intensive newsletter, many schools are using their websites instead to enhance or even replace these paper publications. Our students who need an opportunity to write for authentic and varied audiences can and should make better use of this website news format. By asking our students to supplement the news material, we are meeting each and every literacy essential skill for grades 3 to 5 in the Iowa Core curriculum. Specifically, students must collectively plan a coherent and complete news coverage, and in small groups, produce the news story for the publication. Here's how it'll work. In a whole group meeting, students brainstorm about current classroom and school-wide news. The class can then vote on which stories they want to feature on their website. Note that this is a wonderful place to tie in fractions, graphing, and civics. After groups have been made, distribute news stories as you see fit. Scaffold student research is necessary, especially when topics from outside your door are being addressed. Finally, using a traditional writer's workshop model, draft and write the news articles for publication. If you're using Drupal, publication is simple. Click Create Content, then select the Story option. Type your title in the title box and the story itself in the story box. You can save your progress, and it includes a spell check option just like Word, which is handy for students who are not as used to typing. If you're not using Drupal, publication will differ from framework to framework. Giving students some control over their news will increase writing ability and give them ownership over their work. It may also make your life a bit easier. From Iowa State's Elementary Education Department, I'm Mark Aaron Miller.